Hello everyone, welcome back to PPO Interview Tutorials, and today we came up with the another video on Google Data Studio. Guys, Google Data Studio is a tool which is created by Google, which is also known as Looker Studio, wherein you can create dashboards and reports uh, which are basically done with the help of MS Excel sheets, or you can also use Google Sheets. It totally depends on what kind of sheets are we using. This is very easy to use and it has interactive dashboards. We can create multiple way of that. Before moving to the video, I would like everyone to share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon, and so that you'll get notification on all the upcoming videos. Also check out the playlist. You will find 127 plus videos that will help you in cracking the interview. Let's start today's concept. So this we have prepared in we are preparing the quality dashboard wherein we have all done these activities. If you want to know how we have done this, watch out the playlist of Google Data Studio in our playlist channel. You will get to know like how these dashboards were created and how we have added everything. So today video we will learn about how to add different pages to the dashboard. For an example, this quality data shows employee wise quality scores. Now I want another page wherein I can see team leader wise quality scores, or else workflow wise quality scores. So I can do either, I can do like below to it, but this sounds not, or this will not look good. So I will be adding pages for it. How we can add that? It's very easy. So what you need to do, on the top of your header you can see there is an option that is add page. Click on it. It will get loaded. Automatically a page will get created. Let me rename it. In the right hand side you can find all the pages what we have. This is our first page. Let me rename it. Right click and rename it to home or main page. And now here we will get TL wise information. So I will rename it to uh, team lead wise scores. I'm renaming it with team lead wise scores. Let me check how this is looking. If you go to view, you can see here we got two tabs. One is home. You can see all the quality scores here, and another will be team lead wise scores. Here we have nothing to see. We will add the data. Now this is also done very easily. Simple. What you need to do, go to your, if you have your data in same sheet which we have added here. How we have added, check out our playlist. You will find the video on it. If our data is inside the same sheet, we can directly copy paste this table, the table what we have now. Just do control C as a copy, come to the another sheet, another page, and paste it over here. Okay, automatically you will get your all the data. Yes, everything is pasted here. Now in the right hand side we have added audit count, quality scores, and here we have added employee name and TL name. Let me remove employee name. I will be having only team leader wise data. Okay, it's just loading because of some network issue. Yes, we can see we have three team leaders, Joy, Asif and Akshita. We have three team leaders and the audit count is this, and this is the quality scores what they have achieved. Okay, if you want to remove the color you can do that. It's quite easy. You just need to click on edit option. Okay, you will get style here. Just go to the style. It's up to you what color you require. You can choose the blank cell also. It's up to you what color you needed, you can take. So here odd color I have chosen as blue. I have just removed it, and yellow also I have chosen as blue. I will just remove it. Okay, now this is looking good. Now this is my TL wise data. Here I have home data. Okay, so here also you can add the slicers and everything. Same way how we have pasted the table, just copy paste the data here. Suppose you need this header and you need all this information, just copy everything, go to table 2, paste it over here. Quality dashboard 2023. Okay, the title will remain same, and here whatever things we require, we want date wise data, we can get it. If we need anything else we can change it from here. That is already being explained in my last videos. So here you can see the pages are being added successfully, and you can see now the dashboard is looking really cool now. You, in the same way, you can add multiple pages if you have different type of cuts and different type of cuts you want to show in front of your manager. This is all about adding the pages in the Google Data Studio. If you still have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section, so that I will help you with the solution. And please share your feedbacks and like the video, so that it will be really helpful and keeping motivated to me. Keep watching, guys. We will be coming up with more videos on Google Data Studio. My plan is to prepare multiple dashboards using Google Data Studio. Reason, rather than creating manual dashboard, this is the best way we can create, and that can be used at any time by any of the employee or management side. So this is all about today's video. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Kindly subscribe the channel.